Good morning everyone, it's Monday. So usually I like to start my day on a Monday, like start my week off by planning out the week. It definitely just helps me feel like I have, my plans in order, and sometimes I would do this on a Sunday night, and that's usually better because it means you can go to bed on a Sunday feeling rested and relaxed that you have everything scheduled. But I didn't do it last night because I really did just take a chill day, so I'm going to do that this morning. The first thing that I do is I add everything into my schedule that can't be changed. So things that are on certain days at certain times and that are fixed things, I add those into my weekly schedule. Obviously I'm doing all my planning on my iPad because that's how I do all my planning, which I like because it means when something changes it's quite easy to fix because you can just erase it and go again. So now that I've done that, I'm going to make a list of everything that I need to do this week, and then that will sort of inform how I make the rest of the schedule. So now I'm just going to go ahead and just plan out my day for at least today and possibly like a couple things for the next couple of days. But I think once I have like my main events in the plan, then that's pretty much me sorted. So that is basically my week planned. So I've got 15 minutes to get some admin stuff done, and then I'm going to get started editing my YouTube video. What I'm doing in the meantime as well is I am watching some like Christmassy cooking shows. That's just something I really like doing in December. I don't really know why. I just always feel like it's such a nice Christmassy vibe. Okay, so I finished editing and uploading my video, so you guys will have seen that already, but if not, I'll have all of the Vlogmas videos playlist linked down below. I'm probably going to stay in my pyjamas until I go for my walk, just because, it's December, it's Christmassy time, it's okay to be cozy, and it's a Monday, so I feel like I should reward myself for doing work by getting to be comfortable. The first thing that I'm going to do, because this week I need to finish my transfer report. I got my draft in on Friday, and obviously my supervisor has provided a ton of like small changes to be made and some bigger changes, a lot of really good feedback. So I need to like make a list of everything I actually need to do to fix the draft, because that way at least I'll be able to mark my progress as I go, and that will help me stay motivated with trying to get it done. And also it will make sure that I won't miss anything, and so that I don't have to keep going back and checking the emails to see all the different things. So I'm going to make a list of everything that I need to do, and then I'm going to get started with working on that. So I finally got changed out of my pyjamas into some comfortable clothes anyways. This morning I worked on like reorganizing the transfer report, so a lot of what I need to fix in it is just sort of reorganizing some of the sections and reworking them a little bit and sort of changing over the headings and things like that. So this morning I did all of the moving around and like relabeling things and restructuring. And now I need to start reworking the different sections. So I have 2 big sections and then 1 small medium section and 2 very small sections. So essentially I hopefully will be able to get 1 big section and 1 small section done today, and then tomorrow get the other ones done as well. But we'll see how long it takes. I'm not really sure how long it's going to take. If I can get more done today I will. but that's my goal anyways, is to work on one of these big sections and one of the smaller sections. I got done the 2 sections that I wanted to get done for my transfer report. I did one big section and then I did my abstract and conclusion, which are like the 2 smaller sections, which I'm glad I got all that done. I'm really happy with it. And then tomorrow I just need to do one big section and then the introduction section as well. I'm co-working with some of you in the morning, so I feel like that will be a good way to motivate me to get that done. And then I will be basically finished the draft of my transfer report to be able to send it to my supervisors again and just see that they are happy with it and seeing if I can definitely go ahead with my stage 2 transfer. It is a tricky thing, and it could well be that, you know, it's better for me to just wait until March and really make sure that it's perfect. So I just need to wait and see what they say about that. For now though, I'm just getting ready because I am doing some teaching this evening from 4 to 6:30, which I wouldn't usually do on a Monday, but one of the teachers is away and they are filming their performance for Zoom today, so we're recording the performance and then it means we can edit together different scenes and it'll be more like a little movie. So it's just good for me to be there because I'd be one of the people that will be more able to help with the tech and stuff like that as well. So that's what I'll be doing for the next couple hours. That's terrible. Oh, yes, you there, miss, up the top. Yes. He did do something wrong by taking your presents, though, no? Okay, I guess so.
Now I'm going to tidy up to get on with plating, okay?
We really have to push on because we're going to...
So I did a bit of drama teaching for a couple of hours and I have to say it definitely took it out of me. So I'm just going to clean my room because it's a huge mess. And then I will basically be calling it a night.